welcome you all in this session. In this session, you will learn that how to start writing your first LaTeX document. This section will cover the basic structure of LaTeX document, including the preamble and main body. You will learn that what is preamble, what is the main body, the preamble where you will include the packages, and the main body where you will write the main content of your LaTeX document. You will learn essential formatting commands for text such as bold, italics, and underline. You will also learn that how to create sections, subsections, and write paragraphs within these subsections and sections.
To start writing our first document in LaTeX, we need to open Text Studio. Just double click on Text Studio, then open it. Once you open the Text Studio, you will get a blank window like this. In this blank window, you have to open a file. You need to go there. Here, uh, there are two options. One option is new, another option is new from template. So if you click on new, you will get a blank window. But if we click new from template, in new from template, we'll get a list here. List like article French, beamer, book. These are the templates. Templates means what is template? So uh, template refers to a set of predefined formatting and style specifications that you can use as a starting point for creating documents. LaTeX is a typesetting system, we all know, commonly used for production of scientific and mathematical documents. LaTeX template typically includes the document class, various settings, often additional packages for specific functionalities, and templates can be further customized. So template means this is article. Beamer is for presentations. Book, if we want to write a book where many chapters are there, or we want to write a thesis where uh, different chapters exist, in that case we'll use the template of this book. If we want to write an application, we'll use letter applications, or later we use letter. We use a report if we want to submit the report for uh, some project or some seminar or something. We will use report template. So these are the various templates provided in the LaTeX when you start. In the blank document, we can customize the template. We have to fill everything, we have to write by ourselves. In template, we will get a structure, a basic structure to start with. In that basic structure, we will insert our text. Template contains classes, preamble, document, in body section. So what are these terms? Document class is defined as article, book, means what kind of documents we are going to prepare. We are going to prepare article, or we are going to prepare a book, or we are going to make a letter application. Those things will be defined here in article section. This square bracket is for options. Options like, suppose we want to choose the paper size or the format of paper. When we will prepare our PDF, the output PDF will be generated. That output PDF size can be a legal paper, letter, A4 size paper, A5 paper. That paper size we have to enter here. A4. I select A4 paper. When my PDF will be generated, it will have the format of A4. It will be A4 paper. Then these are the points: 10 point, 11 point, 12 point. By default, LaTeX provides 10 point, 11 point, 12 point. These are the size of font. Font size is 10 point, 11 point, 12 point by default. If you want to change it, you can change it. by giving some command. We'll see later. 10 point, 11 point, 12 point. Suppose I select 12 point. Now I have selected A4 paper and font size is 12 point. To get the generated output, we are seeing two buttons. This is build and view, and this is for compiling. So build and view, we can click here or press function key F5 in your laptop, system or machine. Suppose I click here. This is the log box where we can see the errors or suppose, so here we can see process executed normally. So process executed normally means this code is compiled successfully and we are getting a PDF. This PDF has initially you can see date is given, abstract is written here. Then in this template, this whole thing is called template. Okay, so this whole thing is template. In the very first line, we have defined the class of the document, that is article, book, letter, whatever. So here I have defined article. After document class and before this begin document, area between these two, this is called preamble. Preamble means before beginning our document, we can set the preamble of this template, preamble of this document. In this preamble, we can have, suppose we want some specific functionalities in our LaTeX document. Like we want to insert a figure, we want to insert a special mathematical symbol or mathematical equation or a table, or we want to change the color. So different kind of specifications are there. If we want to include any of these specifications, we will include a package in the preamble. So package in the preamble, here we can use package, use package. When you will click use package, now you have to define a package here, that what kind of specifications we require for our document. So as per our requirement, we can do it time to time. Then now we have to see other things. Other things are like we can see title, author, and these things. In title, right now, after this title, in this curly bracket, nothing is written. It is blank. That is why in the generated PDF, nothing is written about title or author. Suppose in title I enter LaTeX lecture series and build it. Because I didn't enter package here, I have to remove it. Now compile. We can see title. Now in author section, I'm writing my name. Kumar Mrityunjay Singh. These are the commands which are already provided in the template. We can make new commands also. For that, additional commands have to give. We have to define those commands. Then we can enter in this document. So for beginning, we are using the default commands which are provided by the LaTeX template. After preamble section, this is preamble. So first one is class, then this is preamble. The main body of our content starts from begin document. After begin document and before end document, whatever we will write here in this area, that will be included in our generated PDF. Make title. This is the default command, make title. When we will write make title here, this title page will be reflected. Suppose we make it comment. If you want to make some line comment, you have to simply enter Control plus T from the keyboard. Control T. If you want to uncomment it, then Control U. Control T is for commenting. Control U to remove that comment line, to uncomment it. Now, suppose we make it a comment line. So comment line, now this make title will not be included in the document. The compiler will not see this comment line. Just build it. Now you can see title page is not here, right? So title page is not shown. Again, remove this percentage sign and build it. Now title page is shown. In the abstract area, we can write whatever paragraph we require. Basically, abstract is kind of summary from introduction. It is kind of mix of both. So in the abstract, we can say that what we are going to present in the whole chapter or whole document, that is written here in short. If we remove this section, just simply select it and delete it and compile. Then you can directly start your document without abstract. Now we want to include some section. Give a backslash for command, then section. In this curly bracket, we write the title of the section. Suppose introduction. So first section is created. Write here some random paragraph. This is a section for introduction, and compile it. You can see under section introduction, we have written something here, or some random paragraph you want to write. Just keep a command lipsum, and it will again write that whole paragraph, that random paragraph here. After section, you can define another section also. Give it title, problem formulation. Another section is created. Write your problem here. Problem is defined as etc. Whatever you will write under this section, it will be reflected in your output document. Under any section, you can write a subsection also. Give a command subsection, write any title or whatever you want. Suppose I give the title subsection and compile it. Subsection, automatically numbering will be generated to 2.1. It means for section 2, first subsection is written here. You can add some random paragraph here. So that thing will be written here. Under this subsection, you want to include some subsection. So subsection, title. Then you want to write something and simply build it. Now you can see section 2 has a subsection 2.1. This 2.1 has another subsection, that is 2.1.1. Section introduction, another section is problem formulation. Under this problem formulation section, one more subsection we have created, and again subsection is also created here. We can write whole document by creating sections, subsections, or without creating section. We can simply write something here randomly. We've written something here, compile it. In LaTeX, we can write whatever we want. We can generate PDF, output PDF of defined size, that is A4 paper, defined font size, that is 12 point here, title, author, date, paragraph, section, subsection, subsection. We can start with a template of article, book, letter, PowerPoint presentation, that is Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Similarly here, you can make a presentation in Beamer. This is the way to write a document in LaTeX.
I hope that this lecture will be very useful for all of you. If you have any doubt or query, you can write in the comment section. I will try to answer all your queries in the comment section itself.